Good evening. Welcome to another very interesting session of innovative organization development consultancy. In this consultancy session, we will talk about mental paradigm. Mental paradigm is also a in continuation of self knowledge management, the chapter 1 or first video of this online knowledge management course. Mental paradigm is formed when you have gone through several types of experience, self-taught lessons, self suffering because of lack of because of certain situation in which you could not provide a solution. But when you have gone through all this and have survived to endeavor these uh, memories, then you develop a sort of a uh, opinion that have developed because of the self-taught lessons you have gone through. In the first lesson or video chapter, I discussed about certain things which, when you face the situation, you go through the steps of the learning based on your knowledge for formal education and experiences or understanding or logical rational thinking. You develop a step by step procedure to address the situation at hand and to find a amicable solution. At that time you reject certain ideas, thoughts, beliefs or assumptions and keep them aside and extract out those relevant ones which are useful for the solve problem at hand and develop a solution. So that thing basically is your uh, cultivation or accumulation of the self-taught lessons to extract out the relevant out of the not required. But the thing is this that once these things are these things are have gone through a lot of stages, that accumulated wisdom that you have developed sets you sets you at, gets you to this stage of mental paradigm. This mental paradigm stage is that stage at which now you have a very strong, very tested, tested and tried filter in your mind that is working in your at the back of your mind to filter out. Extract out the important ones, situations and circumstances and the solutions from irrelevant ones. At that time, what happens is your mental paradigm has taken a very important uh, decision on your part, and you are constantly in the now evolving, evolving into superior mental frames. These superior mental frames, these superior mental frames are now helping you discover your tacit knowledge into more sophisticated applications that will give you the competitive edge. I will discuss further about these sophisticated mental frames in the context of this mental paradigm so that you are able to understand that where you presently are positioned in your life, and you can very easily correlate with my these videos to help you understand your positioning as far as superior mental frames are concerned in your life, and this will help you also jot down on your notes book that which mental paradigm is what kind of a mental paradigm is affecting your superior mental frame. This particular thing only, where you note them down on your notebook, you will come and you feel that by going through all this, you are able to understand the fine element that is your core or point of advantage over others. There is not just one element which is the core or your advantage or that can give you advantage over others. There are two to three more, even four such elements that can be explored or discovered through such analysis and help you understand that how you can benefit from these four elements that are your competing edge over others. Hope you have liked this video. I will continue with my discussion in further upcoming videos related to the superior mental frames, and keep watching and take my subscription to know more. Uh, I will mention them in the description box of this video. Thanks.